Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to babacambridgesolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International ES and A level and O level. Today, I shall give the overview of the function for the Mathematics 9709 paper 1. Topic name is function. Let's start for the overview of the functions. First of all, in mathematics, function describe a relationship between two variables where each of the value independent variable correspond to the exactly one value of the dependent variable. Like its notation is y equal to f of x. F is the name of the function, x is the independent variable, and y is the dependent variable. So in this case, the set of all possible value of x is known as the function domain, and the set of all possible value of f of x can be taken as the range of the function. In Cambridge 9709, you must always consider the restriction on the domain for which example given by 0. Like there will be some restriction like the denominator is not equal to 0, like this. Like if f of x equal to x plus 3, then in order to find out the value of the function, we shall put the value as in the current case we shall put x equal to 4. So in this case 2 into 4 plus 3 equal to 11. 11 is the range and 4 is the input domain. Likewise, in the f of a equal to a plus 3 is the input value or domain, and the 2a plus 3 is the range of the function. Let's explain it with one more example. Find the domain of the function f of x equal to 1 over x minus 3. We can see that this function is undefined when x is equal to 3, because when we put x equal to 3, then it is infinite. So the denominator must not be 0, so x not equal to 3. Its domain is all real number except x equal to 3, because we have to find out the domain of the function, given function f of x equal to 1 over x minus 3. Likewise, for the next question, the given function is f of x equal to x plus 5. X belongs to real number. We have to find out the f inverse and f inverse 7. As given y equal to x plus 3, in order to find out the inverse, we shall swap the x by y, so we get x equal to y plus y. After that, we shall make y as a subject. Like you can see that y equal to x minus 5. So put y equal to x minus 5, we know that y is equal to f inverse x, because y equal to f of x, when we find out the value of y, we get f inverse x. So f inverse x is equal to x minus 5. In order to find out the value of f inverse 7, we put x equal to 7, we get f inverse 7 equal to 1. Now for the next question, the domain of the composite function. The domain is f of x equal to x minus 2 under root and g of x equal to x plus 1. Find the domain of fg of fx. Fg of x means we are passing the function g to the function f. So f is equal to x minus 2 under root. So we shall put value of g of x in place of x. So x plus 1 under root minus 2. After simplification, we get x minus 1. So fg of f is equal to x minus 1. As we know that the square root is always positive, so x minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0. So the range domain is x greater or equal to 1. It means that the domain should be equal to or greater than 1 for the valid function. For the last one, I show that the two functions are inverse. Now we show that f of x equal to 5x minus 1 and g of x equal to x plus 1 over 5 show that f and g are inverse function. How we can show that these two functions are inverse function? Because when the output of the composition of the both the function are same, then it will be inverse of each other. Like fg of x equal to f value, we shall pass g of x into the function f. F of x equal to 5x minus 2, so 5 into value of the g of x equal to x plus 1 over 5. Minus 1, after simplification we get x. Now again g f of x is equal to 5 into x minus 1. We are putting the function f of x in g, in function g. After simplification we get x. So the same result in both cases. Hence f and g are the inverse function. Now the most important thing in this case is how we shall find out the more than 40 question of the topic function to prepare for the Cambridge International in order to secure A plus grade. For this, you have to access the website babacambridgesolution.com in the first step. After that, when you open the website, on the top right corner you will find the login and register. You need to register on the website in order to download the video and the PDF file of the 40 questions. So in this case, when you click on this, you will find a link of sign up. When you click on the link sign up, you will get the interface like this one. Provide the username, password and email address. After that, you will sign up in the website. After that, you will automatically log into the website, or you can manually log into the website like this one. Now after login, on the website you will come to on the menu, you will come to the courses. In the courses, you will click on the course list. When you click on the course list, after that you will find the different courses available on the website. Like you can see that the different solutions are available on the website. After that, you will also select the category directory on the top right corner so that you are in a required section. After that, when you want to download any course on this website, you will click on the preview course. When you click on the preview course, you will find this interface. On this interface, you will click on the add to cart. After that, you will click on the buy now button. The $10 and Rs 300. So in this case, when you click on the buy now button, after that you will get this interface. On this interface, you will fill the form for the Stripe or for EasyPesa and then click the submit button. When you click on the submit button, then you come to your profile. On the top right corner, click the combo box and you will go to the order history. When you go to the order history, you will find the different courses that you have ordered on this website. When you click the item, you will find this one, course content. After clicking on the item, you will find this interface. On this interface, you will go to the course content. In the course content, there are two types of the icon, like one is for the file icon and other is for the video icon. When you click on the file icon, the PDF solution will be downloaded to your local, and when you click on the video button, video icon, the video solution of the question will be downloaded to your local. Best of luck. See you for the next course of this series.